So I read recently this book from Soros, a famous investor who did very well, and he has this Alchemy of Finance book of where he describes the theory of reflexivity, which basically says that there is a reflexive relation between the stock price and the fundamentals of the company, thanks to the fact that if a stock price goes up a lot, it can help the company. They get more prestige, they get more power to buy, to do acquisitions in stock-only form. They can hire easily, and so on. And this positive feedback loop can as well turn negative. If the stock price goes down, all the things that I described are harder to execute on. So that is, and this is a positive, negative sort of momentum thing, momentum sort of factor. He describes it as that it influences the market a lot and causes sort of bubbles to happen, that we go up faster and go down faster as well.